Hi, my name is Anne, and today I'm making mincemeat pie. In Charles Dickens' book, Great Expectations, Pip, the main character, steals a mincemeat pie from his sister's cupboard and gets in a lot of trouble. We're going to make our own so we won't get in any trouble. We're going to use the food processor method to make our pie crust because it's super duper quick and easy. First, you're going to add 1.5 cups of flour with a teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of sugar. You're gonna mix it, turn on the food processor, and mix it for about 5 seconds. So now we're going to put all the butter and the shortening into the flour, sprinkle it on top, and then we're going to put the top back on.
Yeah, you want to push the button?
Wait, 1 minute, and 1 minute, and process it again for 15 seconds. 1, 2. Wrap it in saran wrap and put it in the fridge. Chill for at least an hour or until you're ready to bake. So here we have some apples, peeled and chopped, and dried fruit, citrus zest and juice, and spices and salt, and brown sugar. Stir that all together.
How does it smell?
It smells amazing. Whoops. So we rolled out the pie crust and now we're gonna put in the filling. Gonna make sure it goes into the pie. So now I'm gonna dot the top with 4 tablespoons of butter. We're putting the second rolled out pie crust on the pie.
We're very
big. Tucks the crust under. Then you crimp it with a fork. Using a sharp knife, you're going to cut some vents in it. Now we're going to brush it with egg white. And then you sprinkle with granulated sugar. Now we're gonna put our mincemeat pie into the oven. In an hour, it'll be done and we can enjoy it!